has something for you.
You did it!
Why don't you put it on and show everybody? Here you go. There you go. And adjust it a little. There you go. Oh, looking good. Edna, where'd you get the idea for this new design?
I got this idea from Roblox, and it was a mask that I really like to wear. And then I asked Mom, Mom, can we make this mask for me? And she said yes. We looked on Amazon. Even though it was cheap, it wouldn't get here by May. We used a pair of my brother's shorts for the strand and used some extra fabric to make all the front of it.
And it's got that really nice filter inside, that Merv 11
Yeah.
filter that I picked up at Home Depot. And it's good. And you like wearing it?
Yeah. I'm still gonna wear it. Either way, it's a really good mask.
That's good. I'll let you put it on. All right, say bye.